I think the absolute most pressing problem that we're facing in the planet is climate change. Another major problem is that we're gathering increasing amounts of data and we don't know what to do with it. That applies not just in the environmental context, but in essentially every context in the world.
No industry can escape digital disruption, and nor can government, and nor can the private sector. It's surrounding and infiltrating everything we do. Now, some of that's for the good, but there's a few things we need to watch out for.
It happens everywhere. It even happens for us computer scientists. We have to constantly change what we're doing. I think everybody will be affected.
We're facing a tsunami of data, and we don't know how to respond to that tsunami. And we need digital technologies to allow us to organize and find the meaning and the patterns in that tsunami of noise.
Digital technology can help us solve the world's most pressing problems, but it's not the solution, it's not a silver bullet. The only thing that can solve the world's most pressing problems is us and the generations that we're educating.
I think it's absolutely critical that there's industry collaboration with academia, because if we don't have it, then our research really never gets the legs it needs to reach the people it's meant to affect.
Another aspect is that industry have got a lot of skills that universities don't have. So to solve problems, it makes sense that we get together and use our different skill bases to approach very difficult problems.
Well, we're trying to work in a new way, right? And we don't quite know yet how to do it. But somehow we realize that what we're doing so far only gets us up to here, and we need to go to the next level. So we need to collaborate more with all these different parties.
The University of Melbourne is working hard to establish interdisciplinary links between different parts of the university. It is a challenge because we struggle sometimes to find a common language and a common perspective.
Another barrier is that we're physically in different buildings, and so as a matter of how do we meet each other and understand that we have got different tools to answer the same sort of problem.
Having close proximity to each other in a physical location where they can be in the same area can be really beneficial so that they can build relationships outside of just the work they're doing.
Melbourne Connect is an opportunity for the university to embrace the world around us. It's an opportunity for us to bring people with different skills together, different perspectives together, and really drive a research agenda that will have impact for the real world.
Melbourne Connect should be relevant to the whole university. It should be a place where scholars from all disciplines have something to contribute.
I would tell my colleagues that they should really care about Melbourne Connect because it gives them an opportunity to get exposure for the research really early on.
Melbourne Connect is also important though because it's got a science gallery. It's embracing the arts as a way of understanding the future. And that's what's so special about that building, because we need both perspectives to be able to look ahead and deal with future problems.